the best lemonade ever. I haven't seen it on the internet yet, and it's a special recipe from my great-great-great-grandma. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. And I'm also gonna show you how to deduct your life. Oh yeah, because this is the best thing ever. Okay, so we're gonna go at some place where they have charging stations for the Tesla. That means don't pay electricity, because this baby runs on no money. Oh yeah, it's so amazing. And then we're gonna buy all the stuff we need to make the best lemonade ever. And of course, if ever you want to have some tequila shots, oh yeah, well, you'll have some limes to do so. So just buy a lot more. That way you do the recipe, but if ever your recipe, you nail it on the first shot, oh yeah, well, you've got all of your limes that you can use for tequila shots later. The best limon. Limon is so confusing because limon is not lemon, it's limes. And some people, where they go about and go and say, oh yeah, let's get some limons. Limons is a lime, people. It's a lime. Now, if you're Spanish, French, English, it gets all mixed up, so make sure you look at the color. Limes are green, lemons are yellow, super easy, and oranges, well, you know, they're orange. Sorry, colorblind people. While we're waiting at this red light, did you know I have a Patreon? Go support me on Patreon. Just search for Piper Blush. Oh yeah, almost forgot. I'm Piper Blush, your financial coach, and I'm gonna show you how to deduct your life. Now the thing is, some Teslas, they have free electricity. That depends what year you bought it or what year your Tesla is. Now this Tesla has free electricity, meaning until I need to change the whole battery inside of this, I get free charging. Yeah, I don't pay for electricity. So it's better for me to not charge at home, but to charge at Tesla stations like this one. And what is near Tesla stations? Grocery stores. So that's like a 2-in-1. That means I don't pay for electricity, plus I get to go do groceries. Now, as a business, well, I do groceries for my videos. Oh yeah, just like my secret lemonade recipe that is the best ever. You're never gonna want to drink any other lemonade after you press those lemons and those limons. I'm telling you, it's gonna happen. Plus, actually, you don't really need to press anything. That's even better. But you need to stay tuned for the whole entire recipe. Now that I'm here, well, I can do all I need to do. And you should do the same. Get electric and make sure you plug and play. Did you know that people who own Tesla are in better shape? Yeah, physical shape. That's because the charging stations are always further away from the actual store, groceries, whatever you're doing. So you need to walk it out. Oh yeah. Plus, whenever your charging is done, to not be like overfeed, you need to run to your car, which makes it even more awesome CrossFit. Oh, that's that. Got the lemons and got the lemons. Now make sure that none of them are mushy, because if there's any mushy ones, well, they're not good anymore, so you're paying for nothing, like for compost. You don't want to do that. Oh, and did you know this is for your fingers? See? Piper tree. I found some condensed sweetener, which is actually milk and sugar. That's what you're gonna need to put in your lemonade. I know it's weird, but it's the weirdest thing you'll ever do, but it's also the best thing you'll ever do. So go grab yourself some condensed, not evaporated milk, not the same thing. Perfect, Visa. Thank you. Always keep your receipt. For this recipe, you're also gonna need some ice and some sweet things. Because when I Google what goes best with lemonade, it said sweet things. I don't count. You need some actual sweet things. Oh. And what better than something that also contains some citrus? So I got some poppy seed lemon cake, all of my actual cake, and ice. You're gonna need some ice. You took the time for your shopping, so now your Tesla is fully charged, you pay nothing, plus you deducted your kilometers, and you've got everything you need to make the most amazing lemonade in your whole entire life. Let's go cook! The best lemonade ever. You will need 4 limes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
water. Once it's all pulverized, oh wow, I can hear now. You will need to strain it, to make sure that those little parts of limes where they don't stay in your mouth. Add the condensed milk.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind.
To make sure your lemonade is cool, we're gonna add about a cup of ice. It's the final part. Make sure you mix it real good so everything becomes homogeneous and thick and smooth and velvety and delicious. Ready to enjoy. Oh yeah, this is amazingly delicious. I suggest you try it. And, well, don't worry, we're gonna do the lemon recipe in the next episode. So you better subscribe. Also, lemonade is way better when enjoyed with some sweet treats. Just like some lemon poppy seed cake. Oh, don't lose your icing. You can even dip it in. Now let's see how all of this cost us. To make the most awesome lemonade ever, you needed to go to the grocery store, which is $23.95. We bought some lemons, some limes, which are called limon. We bought some ice cubes, and of course, a little lemon poppy seed, deliciousness, to go together with our lemonade. That means that, well, you can actually do a lot more with all of these things. I mean, you've got more ice, you've got more lemons, you've got more limes, and I know you've been waiting for this one. When life gives you lemons, make Piper's lemonade. Oh yeah, super easy. Some condensed milk also, very, very important. It kind of balances the zestiness to the whole entire lemonade. Now, that's pretty good. So $23.95, but how much did it cost us to go there? Let's calculate it. So it's about 5.12 kilometers plus 5.32 kilometers construction, never the same, equal 10 kilometers 44, okay? Multiplied by 0.68. That's the amount of cents per kilometers, okay? So now you've got a total of 10 cents, oh yeah, that you can deduct off of your kilometers, which is amazing because you have an electric car, oh yeah. So you took your Tesla to go there and you didn't pay any electricity because your Tesla doesn't cost you anything on electricity. And then when you were there, actually, well, you fully charged the car, le char, yeah, that's what I was gonna say in French. So that's amazing. That means this $7, 10 cents, is actually quite nothing. It's quite nothing. And then, of course, well, you did spend a little bit more, like $23.95. But not to worry, it's all deductible. And you've got some leftover lemon and lime. And what did I really want to do? I didn't want to do lemonade. Who wants to do lemonade? Lemonade is for children. What I wanted to do is drink tequila. With a whole bunch of lemons or limes. It just depends what you like to do. You like it more Mexican, you like it more Canada, USA, you decide. But now I've got enough to finish this whole entire bottle. This is gonna be great. This is life deductions, people. That's why this channel is called How to Deduct Your Life with Piper Blush, your financial coach. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you go support me on all of my platforms. You can find them on Linktree/Piper Blush.
Baby, you give